Hey, it's Sully from Navtronics. We're down here at Center Consoles only on this Raymarine install on their reef runner. Today we're going to talk about the RV-220 Transducer. This gives us our 3D mapping of the bottom. As you see, we've got a pair of them here, and the nice part about these is these are tilted elements inside. So they're 20-degree tilted element. You mount these flush right to the bottom of your boat. No blocks, no wedges. Everything's really labeled, easy to use. You have your anti-rotation bolt, very key. Make sure this thing doesn't spin around on you when you're out underway. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get these installed on the boat, and you guys are gonna see what it looks like and what kind of bottom imaging we're gonna get out of it. All right, I'll try something.
It's 11 inches up off center line, so I'm just putting a mark in here so I know where the strake is, and that way we're not getting any aeration or the least amount of aeration on each transducer on the port and starboard. So basically, yeah, you're gonna have, one of these, that circle in there will be that hole, and then this deucer here, just basically wherever I can get that to fit in, where it's not gonna get aerated from that. Decent amount of space, but it's basically like you'll get a little bit of aeration.
Beautiful.
Nice and flush.
Nice.
Most of it came from him that he had already.
Oh, that's awesome. So, how's that look, dude?
That looks beautiful.
Money. Perfect. Drop down.
Yep. No, keep going.
Starting to balance out now. We can come in here as this chart opens up. We have to select which sonars we want. So we're going to do our Realvision because that's what we're set up with. We're going to set up here. We're going to set this one up, and let's go with chirp low. And then over here we've got our chart. Now, as simple as just enabling our sounder, we're going to enable it. Now we've got our fish finder, we've got our 3D, and we've got our fish chart all set up right here. Just that simple. That's what our demarcations are there. That's everything we've gone over. And that's if there's something on the bottom. Now we're starting to mark some stuff right there.
So we want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see our most recent video, click right here. And if you like what you're seeing, please do us a favor and subscribe right here. Thanks, guys.